Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. Whether you're a working mom or a fabulous homemaker, sometimes it just seems like our jobs are never ending. There is always a room to be cleaned, a meal to be cooked, or laundry to be done. Although those chores are important, but they can take up so much of our time that spending quality time with kids and family becomes difficult. In order to maximize this time, we need to get better at managing our time and organizing our routines. It makes sense to find ways to make those everyday tasks quicker and easier. To help you along the way, in this video I have put together a few of my tips and hacks which can save a lot of your time and energy. So let's get started. First, an important tip is to keep the house decor minimal. Less decor means less time spent in cleaning and maintenance. If you have observed, I have minimum decor at my home. Just couple of paintings on the wall and few decorative pieces here and there. Stuffing your house with lot of decor pieces and wall arts will increase the time and effort spent on dusting and cleaning. Regular dusting and occasional deep cleaning will be required, especially with antique pieces. If you want to save time, avoid a large collection of silver, brass and copper which need lot of care. One of the good choices is to use fitted bed sheets on your bed in order to save time. It has this elastic which ensures good fitting and the sheet does not move anywhere. It can be spread in seconds and you don't have to adjust its edges every day unlike regular flat sheets. Best solution for mom with small kids. Now kids can play and jump all day. No worries at all. Also, when talking about sheet, good and comfortable mattress is very important. One of the best mattress available online is a SleepyCat mattress, which I have been using for last 1 month. Mattress comes in this small box which was quite surprising. Just take out the mattress, cut the plastic sheet and in few minutes the mattress will start taking the shape and become thick. It comes with a washable zipper cover to protect it from dust and spillages. This mattress is also an orthopedic mattress. Its lightweight makes it a best choice for renters as it can be moved and shifted easily. On Amazon, this mattress is a 5-star rated mattress. Also, one can buy it directly from their website. As India's first mattress in a box, they deliver the mattress in a convenient box straight from the factory to your doorstep, and you save up to 75% on retail cost and there are no additional shipping charges. And the best part is that the mattress comes with 30 nights free trial and a 10 years unbeatable warranty. If you don't like it, they take it back. No questions asked. All the necessary details with its purchase link are provided in the description box. If you have kids at home, then covering your sofa, dining table and chairs is a good hack to keep them protected. Kids may do a lot of mess while eating and playing. Sofa and chair fabric gets stained if touched with dirty hands. Once stained, they are difficult to clean and is definitely a time-consuming task. This little investment on covers can save a lot of your time. I understand, they may not look good visually, but you can always remove them whenever you want. I personally always keep them covered and simply remove when expecting guests. Before you go to bed, put a load of laundry. And in the morning you will see your clothes washed. Now just put them to dry. This will definitely save few minutes from your busy mornings. If you have option to hang clothes, then try hanging maximum clothes. It not only saves time on folding and rearranging, but also keeps your clothes wrinkle free, which again saves your time on ironing these clothes. Try to keep the doors shut for other rooms which you don't use in the morning. Like my son has a permission to play only in his room and living room. Master bedroom and guest room stay closed during mornings. By doing this, 1 or 2 rooms will always stay clean and mess free and your time will be saved. Yes, there is always exception to this rule when we are playing hide and seek. Keeping a stock cleaning caddy at easily reachable place will save time doing up and down to grab cleaning supplies, and you can clean mess instantly. Also, if you have essentials stored in the bathroom, you can give a floor and sink a quick wipe after shower, which will save your time and effort of deep cleaning later. Keep your daily essentials within reach, like for getting ready, face wash, cream, sunscreen in one basket on the sink. Daily use makeup in the small basket on your dressing drawer. Kitchen essentials in a tray on the counter for easy time in the kitchen. Dining essentials on the table so that you don't have to get up for small items. This small hack can definitely save little bit of your precious time. Designate a place for going out essentials, preferably foyer area, shoe rack drawer or any basket near the door, and keep everything there which you carry almost every day, like handbag, wallet, glasses, umbrella, keys, etc. Also keep an extra stock of paper towels, hankies, mints, etc. there itself so that you get everything at one place and pick up and leave quickly instead of running and finding things all around the house. Plan outfits for a week and label them as per days. We girls take lot of time selecting the outfits, especially in the morning. It becomes a havoc mix matching them. Selecting outfit in advance will save you from morning hurdles. If you have a busy schedule, then meal prep is very important. You can cut and store some veggies and prepare a simple fast cooking menu. Make a list of dishes which can be cooked fast, like veg pulao, khichdi, egg bhurji, paneer bhurji, omelette, stuffed paratha, dosa, etc. Pot meals are easy to prepare, healthy and save lot of clearing up time as well. You can also opt for slow cooker for automatic cooking. Invest in few time-saving and helpful kitchen tools and appliances like chopper, blender, sandwich griller, etc. They can help you cook fast and efficient, which at the end will save your time. Grocery and monthly home supplies delivery has been such a blessing, and my supermarket visits to buy has certainly come down. When visiting supermarkets for shopping, lot of us buy more than what we came for, which is waste of time and money. Ordering online at times is a better choice as we only buy what is needed and you save time physically going to the store. Also, one can save extra bucks through some cashback offers and coupons. One of the most easy thing to miss as a time saver is decluttering. When you have less in your home, you have less to clean, less to maintain, less to shop for, etc., saving loads of time each week. Make it a habit to purge unused and unwanted clothes, toys, makeup, paper bills, etc. every month to keep your house always mess-free, which at the end will save your time. Last but not the least is to create a morning and evening routine. Make your morning and evening habit with a routine and you'll be able to run on autopilot and get things done more quickly. Routine helps you stay focused and productive. Once you have a habit of doing certain things at certain time, you will find tasks happening fast and easily. I hope you will get some time off using these time-saving hacks and make your routine better. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel for more organizing videos and follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.